27 have joined. So listen, children, we were discussing about the pronouns, first person, second person, third person pronouns, and the singular plural pronouns, and also we discussed about the cases, right? 3 cases also we discussed, and it is over. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Correct?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is
Yes,
the time
ma'am.
to conduct a small test. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Small test. I'll be giving 3 questions. Only 3 questions are there. I'll be pasting 3 questions. I think 27 have, no, 2 are joining. So I'll do one thing. At the end of the session, I'll be conducting a small test. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, sure.
Because still students are joining in between. If they are joining, means I have to send the link again and again in the chat box. So better I'll do it at the last 10 minutes. Okay, so you can open your
Okay,
chat
ma'am.
box and can send me the answer now itself once the test link has given to you. Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
our topic's over, right? So I have, before concluding that topic, the pronouns, the main topic, let me ask a few questions. Okay, I have 4 questions to share with you. Okay,
Excuse me,
are
ma'am.
you all sitting with the paper?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
And that exercises, we should underline the pronouns
Yes. You should underline the pronouns.
and
You got
tell
to mention
them
the cases. Now
which
I have 5
persons.
questions to give you. 5 or 4 questions to give you. So please note down these 5 questions, and after writing these 5 questions, I'll be asking any 5 children to answer me. Okay? Then we'll wind up the
Excuse me, ma'am.
session.
Excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Will you send the notes?
It's there already in the school's website. If you want, I'll be sending it in the
Excuse me,
WhatsApp
ma'am.
also.
Excuse
leave,
me, ma'am.
leave the cases and
Excuse
not.
Ma'am, I can't enter the website.
Be getting username and password from the school office. You collect it from the school office and log in. So
Ma'am, we
please,
get
all
Excuse
of
me,
you,
ma'am.
if you don't
Excuse me,
have the
ma'am.
password and if you don't have the username, you please get it from the school office soon.
Excuse
And
me,
you
ma'am.
can log in and can download all the notes I have uploaded. If you
Excuse
find
me,
any
ma'am.
difficulty in uploading the notes, please personally send me a message so I can send you the notes in the WhatsApp group also.
Excuse
Okay,
me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I gave the username and password, and they are saying that you have changed username and password, and
So
I
you
cannot
please
get in.
contact to the office
And we
tomorrow, and
contacted.
you will be getting a new password and ID. Okay, so using that password and ID, you can log in again. Try to log in. If you're getting it, if you're not getting the notes from the website, inform me, Ayman. So this duty is to
Okay,
you,
ma'am.
Ayman. Please try to open the school's website and get the notes. If it is not
Okay, ma'am.
getting from there, inform me personally so I can send the notes in the class group. So leave this matter. And the question is, first question. We went for a walk. We went for a walk. Second question. I know him. I know, K-N-O-W, know him. H-I-M. Next question. Rani gave them some cookies. Rani, R-A-N-I, Rani gave them some cookies. C-O-O-K-I-E-S.
Ma'am, finish.
I had dinner. I had dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R. I had dinner with Jane, J-A-N-E, with Jane and her brother. I had dinner with Jane and her brother.
Ma'am,
Next
finish.
question. Next question. I lost my favorite pencil. Please note down. I lost my favorite pencil. I lost my favorite pencil. How many questions now?
It's 5.
5. Now it's your time. I'll give you 1 minute. All of you please circle the pronouns in the sentence, all the sentences which is already given to you, and also state whether the pronoun is used in the place of nominative case, objective case, or it is in possessive case. I have
Ma'am, can
explained
you say this?
nominative. I have explained nominative, possessive and objective case, right? In the previous class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it's clear for you. Now it's your time to find out the answers. Please try to do it. 1
Ma'am,
minute.
can you say?
1 minute
Ma'am,
only,
what
1 minute
can you
only.
say one more?
Ma'am, what is the last question?
Last question. I lost my favorite pencil.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sometimes, please, before underlining, please make sure that there may be two pronouns used in one single sentence. Okay, so check the place, whether it is used as a subject, whether it is used as an object,
Excuse
whether
me,
it
ma'am.
shows the possession. Okay,
Ma'am.
and if it is used as a
Ma'am,
subject,
can you say the third
Excuse me, ma'am.
question?
one at a time. Chris, Joe, can you
Ma'am.
say anything?
Ma'am, can you say the second question?
Okay, I have Angelina here. Angelina, can you read the second question louder?
I know him.
I know him. Second question. I
Ma'am.
know him.
Okay,
Excuse me,
ma'am.
ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is speaking now? Okay,
Agnya.
Agne.
Ma'am, what is third question?
Okay, Dia. What is the third question, Dia? Dia M. Can you read the third question louder?
Ronnie gave them some cookies.
Rani gave them some
Okay, ma'am.
cookies. Very good. Okay, so you do.
Sorry, ma'am.
I'm
First
starting,
question.
I am starting with the
First question.
first question. Adinath S. Nair, can you read the first question for all with answers? Now we are starting discussing the answer. Adinath S. Nair,
Ma'am.
can you read the first
Ma'am,
question? Oh, Adi, I can't hear you.
We went for a walk.
We went. We or he? We. Okay. We went for a walk. Which one is the pronoun there?
We.
We. Tell me whether it is in nominative, objective or possessive case.
Nominative.
Excellent. Nominative case. Now second question. Gautam. Gautam KN. Read the second question and its answer.
I know him.
I know him. Pronouns? Only I?
Him.
Him. Excellent. I and him. Okay, tell me now.
Ma'am, I should tell the subjective.
Tell me, Gautam, the answer.
I nominative.
I nominative. Very good. I nominative.
Him. Subject. Objective.
Him.
Nominative.
Him. Nominative.
Subjective. Subjective.
Subjective. Nominative case is also known as subjective case, Gautam. This is in the place of an object, right?
Yes.
Him is in the place of an object, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me the case.
Objective.
Objective case. The other name for the objective case is
Assistive.
accusative. Very good, very good. Try to work out. Try to do more exercises in the next class. Now I have Angelina Jose. Angelina, can you read the third question and its answer?
Rani gave them some cookies. Them.
Rani gave them some cookies. Okay. Pronoun?
Ma'am, it is objective.
No, I don't know the pronoun used in that sentence. Teach me the pronoun there.
Them.
Them. Excellent. Okay, tell me then. Them is the pronoun and
Objective.
objective or accusative case. Brightlin. Brightlin. Brightlin, my
Yes,
dear,
ma'am.
the next question and its answer.
I had dinner with Jane and her brother.
I had dinner with Jane and her brother. Okay, the pronouns in that sentence.
I and brother.
Brother, is brother a pronoun or a noun?
Ma'am, I and Jane.
Jane is not a pronoun, it's a noun, name of a person. I is correct, I agree. Okay, 1000 times. Can you find out the other pronoun used in the same sentence?
Her. His.
Her. Oh, his or her? His or her? I think what you have written in the paper is wrong. Just I'll read the question once again, Brightlin. I had dinner with Jane and her brother. Okay, now you tell me. I correct. Second pronoun used in that sentence. You said the answer. So repeat once again.
Her.
Her. Excellent. Very good. Very good. So now you tell me. I. Which case?
I. Subjective.
Subjective or nominative? Okay, then what about her? You got another pronoun called her?
Objective.
What is it?
Objective.
It's actually, I have dinner with her brother, not your brother. Her brother. Her brother.
Possessive.
Possessive. Okay, possession or ownership. It is possessive case. Okay, her brother. It's not my brother. It's not your brother. We dine with him. Okay, her brother. Am I clear? So possessive case. Clear, children? So Manu, next question. Manu?
Next question. I lost my favorite pencil.
Oh, isn't it? Sorry, I'll recommend your mother to buy you another one. Don't worry. Okay. Manu, tell me now. I lost my favorite pencil. So the pronoun used there?
I and my.
I and my. Okay. So tell me the cases.
Nominative.
Nominative. Which word is nominative?
Both of them.
Both the pronouns used in that sentence are in nominative? No, you are wrong.
Subjective.
First one. Okay, Gautam, can you help Manu solve this issue?
Ma'am, can you say?
I is nominative. Okay, I is nominative.
My is subjective.
Again, you went.
Possessive.
Possessive.
Ma'am, can you say it's possessive?
Possessive. It's not subjective. Okay, I lost my pencil. It's mine.
My pencil.
It's my pencil. It's mine. It shows the ownership, right? It is not yours, Manu. I have lost my pencil, Manu. Try to understand the situation. It's actually showing my possession, my ownership, right? So it is in possessive case. Am I clear, children? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So two more exercises. Add two more sentences. Another one. The boat lost. The boat. B-O-A-T, bot. The boat lost its mast. M-A-S-T, mast. You know the long stick which is actually we are actually using in a boat to fly.
And one flag with the flag.
The flag, yes. The boat lost its mast in the storm. Okay, the boat, Ananda Krishna, please write fast. The boat lost its mast in the storm. One more example.
Ma'am, after mast what?
In the storm. In the storm. The boat lost its mast in the storm. The boat lost its mast in the storm. Next question. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Don't judge after.
Don't judge.
After.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Ma'am, that is a phrase, right?
Yeah, right. It's also a sentence. It's a complete sentence.
Ma'am, I finished.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
I finished. Ma'am, in my bookmark,
Ma'am,
it's
only 7
written.
questions.
Now, I have Sri Hari here. Sri Hari? Sri Hari? Sri Hari, can you hear me, Sri Hari?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sri Hari, tell me the pronoun used
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
sentence, the boat lost its mast in the storm, and tell me which is the case. Sri Hari, can you hear me? Adil Shafiq, I think Sri Hari has some network issues because it's not here. Tell me, Adil Shafiq.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you find out the pronoun used in the sentence, the boat lost its mast in the storm? It's. Tell me the case.
Possessive. Accusate. Possessive.
Correct. Absolutely, 100 times. Okay. So absolutely, you are very correct. It is given in possessive case. It's mast. Okay. So it shows ownership. It shows possession. Okay. Now I have Anthony Joel Doshi. Anthony, the last question's answer. Anthony, don't judge a book by its cover.
Ma'am, pronoun is it's.
Okay. Tell me the case.
Possession.
Possessive case. Excellent. Possessive case. Now I think it's time to give you the test. Okay, let me give the test to you. All
Okay,
of you
ma'am.
please check your chat box. I am going to load a form now. Shall I send?
Yes,
Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you got the link? Have you got the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
try to open it. Try to open the link and answer.
Class 5. Rani is playing with her brother. Pick out the pronoun. Always make a circle like this.
I think you're getting. Nobody submitted the form until now.
Excuse me.
Yes, Ayman, Amuje Malikal, Isha, Angelina Joes, Acne, Devak, Richard Melking, Anusri. Ayman,
Yes, ma'am.
something went wrong, Ayman. Check your
Ma'am, the
answer
third
once again.
question. Ma'am, I thought that my is the
That is
first
why. See,
person.
don't submit everything in a hurry-burry way. You have
Ma'am,
to read the question. No problem, no problem. This is just a daily test. Today, just a trial
Ma'am,
only.
I got full mark.
That's good.
Ma'am, I
That's
got
good. That's good.
Oh.
That's good. You got the answers, right? You got the marks and also the.
I got full mark.
You will be getting. See, once you submit, you will be getting.
I got 3 marks full.
Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I also got.
Very good. That's good. But I have given very simple questions today. So I'll be, because I'm just conducting a small test today just to check whether you will be able to do it alone. Okay. Anantesh bhai, what is your score, Anantesh? Are you doing it?
Ma'am, I am getting the result now. It is loading.
Oh, okay. I think almost 18, 21 children submitted. 21 only? Okay.
Ma'am, we cannot see the screen.
That's okay. That's okay. I can see the screen. You want to see the screen? No.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
I
ma'am.
got
There
full.
is no need for sharing the screen now. You are getting your marks privately, right? We don't have any right to look into others' marks. Okay. Done?
Excuse, ma'am.
Done?
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Done? How
Excuse
many of
me,
you are
ma'am.
doing it now? It's done. It's good. It's good to see
Excuse
you.
me, ma'am. Ma'am, this is the third chapter, right? We finished the part of speech.
What is it?
Ma'am, we finished part of speech.
Parts of speech in general we have completed. Parts of speech in general we have completed. Pronouns we have completed. Content and form words, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but
Yes, what is your doubt now?
ma'am, before pronoun there is adjective. Adjectives there before
Ma'am,
pronoun.
can you send one more time the link?
You haven't written? You haven't entered? Or why not?
Ma'am, somebody's asking to send one more time link.
Yeah, I'm trying just now. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. We got
try
the
to do
link.
it. Try to do it
Excuse me,
now.
ma'am. Ma'am, but you taught us adjectives little.
That is okay. This is just a trial, right? Don't worry. This is just a trial for you and for me also.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Before
So
that, you
how is
taught
you
us
feel? You
adjectives.
know, it's very easy to do the test paper, right? And you're getting the score when you enter the. Enter the score. Answer also, right? So it was easy. So in between, not every day, but in between, I'll be conducting this daily test for you. So now, listen carefully. So we have completed the pronouns by this, right?
Ma'am.
We have completed the pronouns by today, or completed it. It's completed. We don't want to continue anything in pronoun. We have already completed the topic today, right? So we need to learn about a new topic, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We need to link.
Cases, we have completed pronoun, the two singular and plural numbers. We have completed first person, second person, third person pronouns, nominative case, objective case, possessive case, and we have done a lot of exercises, and you are okay with the topic. Now I don't want to hang here. I have to take a new topic for you, right? Right? Are you
Yes,
ready for a
ma'am.
new
Yes,
topic
ma'am.
today?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready for a new topic today?
Yes, ma'am. Already, ma'am.
Are you ready for a new topic today? That's my question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
are going to learn today onwards. We are going to learn adjectives in detail. Okay, you are familiar with the term adjectives, right? We have learned
Yes, ma'am.
pronoun in general and also in detail. So, like the same, you have learned about adjectives in the parts of speech class, right? So, I have a few questions before beginning the session. Adil Shafiq, can you tell me what are adjectives? Simple terms. I don't want an elaborate form. Chinmay, what are called adjectives in English grammar? Can you give me one example?
Ma'am, a sentence.
If you have a sentence, I'll be more happy. I can't
He's a
hear you.
good boy.
I can't hear you well. Isha Binoy, what are called adjectives in English grammar?
Adjectives are describing words.
Okay, it describes what?
It describes nouns.
It describes nouns, right? Adjectives gives quality to a noun, right? Beautiful girl. Okay, bright sun. Okay, good day, right? All these are the adjectives normally using. So today onwards, we are going to learn about the degrees of comparison. Adjectives are used, or adjectives
Ma'am,
can be used to compare
excuse me, ma'am.
things. Yes.
Can you say some more loudly?
Yeah, why not? My voice is thin, feeble. You can't hear?
No, ma'am, some more loudly. It will be
Okay,
good.
sure. Why not? I can roar like a lion. Okay, no problem
Okay,
at all.
ma'am.
So
Thank you.
listen carefully. We are going to learn about degrees of comparison. If it is not possible today, we'll be beginning this topic in the coming class. Okay. So almost it is time to wind up. So that is why I have told you I'll be starting this topic in the next class. Only 2 minutes, but still I can discuss adjectives with you now, right? So you got the topic. What is our next topic to learn? Degrees of comparison. We are going to learn how to compare things. There are different methods to compare things using adjectives. We have 3 classifications under this degrees of comparison. Okay, this is our new topic for the next class. Okay, we are learning adjectives and we are going to compare things. Okay, there are 3 degrees of comparison. Okay, how many degrees of comparisons are there? There are 3
degrees of comparison.
There are 3 degrees
of comparison.
Usually, say how we normally compare. How we normally compare. Look at me. Okay, look at me. I am a short lady. Okay, I am a short lady. Is that there any comparison made? I haven't compared. It's the base form, right? I am actually using the positive degree. See, I'll be explaining this in the next class. I know that this
Okay,
is the
ma'am.
last moment. You won't be listening to my class because if I start now, this moment also, you will not be able to follow what I am saying. So shall we start this topic in the next class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Here, I would like to hear a few examples for the adjectives. I have Adinath Nair here. Adinath, can you tell me a few examples for adjectives?
Can I say?
Yeah, why not? Why not? You can. Beautiful. Okay. Beautiful. Okay.
More beautiful.
More beautiful. Okay. Comparison. Very good.
Most beautiful.
Most beautiful. So you said the comparison. So you are all
Ma'am,
familiar with the beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful, right? So how to make it? That is what we are going to learn in the next class. Okay?
Positive, comparative, superlative.
Okay, so you are too much, you know the topic very well. So I'm happy, I'm glad because I'm going to teach the students also know the topic very well. So prepare well and come for the next class. Okay, bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, bye, bye.